Uncle Jack at your burrito party on a Sunday night. What's up, people? Luch coming at you here with another episode of the Luch Shopping Network. And today, we have this beautiful HammerHead Performance exhaust system, people. This has everything you need to take your 150 or 169cc GY6 go-kart engine up to blistering horsepower numbers. Now, people, this kit includes, but is not limited to, this beautiful new shiny exhaust pipe, people. This will take the meager little 3/4 inch pipe and turn it into a whopping 1-inch pipe that will expel your exhaust gases faster than your Uncle Jack after burrito night at the VFW. Attached to the end of that, people, is this beautiful HammerHead anodized performance muffler. People, this not only comes in red, but you can get it in green, blue, black, whatever color you like. It will suit your liking. It is baffled and it really sounds cool. You'll love it. And to attach all this, people, it comes complete with all the mounting hardware that you could need. Now, people, after expelling all these gases, you want to be able to get in some air fuel mixture too. So our kit comes with this beautiful new intake manifold to suck more air. That being said, you got to add more fuel too. So it also comes with these brand new main jets. You got a 40 main jet and a 135 pilot jet, people. That will suck more gas down than your no-flow toilet. But you don't want to be sucking in a whole bunch of crap from the trails. So we've provided this UNI air filter, reusable, cleanable, and the best thing about it, people, it comes with a beautiful UNI sticker. Now, people, you can get all this at the link below. Check out the link below for not only this, but a sundry other parts and items that you are going to love. But that's not it, people. Wait, there's more. If you use the coupon code LUCHBOT, you can get 10 whole percentages off your entire order, people. That's 10 percentages off that you don't have to pay on this and other beautiful items at this link below. Check them out today, people. And don't forget to tell them Luch sent you. You rock, people. Luch Mob! Are you sure I don't need new makeup?
No.